By investing in life insurance, you add some stability or balance to your financial portfolio. It helps to fulfill individuals' goals such as retirement, child's education, buying a home or plot of land. Basically, it helps you or it gives you a sense of certainty in uncertain times. Someone can use this life insurance as a wealth transfer tool as well and ensure a legacy for your future generation.
Some of the families were lucky enough to go to Europe destinations as well. Some have gone to England, France, Germany, Switzerland, Italy. So that is something that we have done with this family safari, and that is one thing that we have done it to make this life insurance more tangible and getting these policyholders engaged with the organization.
Traditionally, life insurance has been a financial safety net for families in the event of a death or a critical illness of a breadwinner. However, it has now taken a completely different stance and become an important item in one person's financial portfolio. Life insurance combines protection, savings, and investment in one package. It also covers health and critical illness riders. Sri Lanka has an aging population. Their healthcare and cost of the medical cost increases at a higher rate. By investing in life insurance, you add some stability or balance to your financial portfolio. We at Ceylinco Life offers customized, flexible policies, allowing individuals to tailor their coverage for any evolving financial needs. Some people do not have the habit of saving. So life insurance encourages or helps you to have this habit of long-term disciplined saving, and it provides benefits and payouts. It helps to fulfill individuals' goals such as retirement, child's education, buying a home or plot of land. Basically, it helps you or it gives you a sense of certainty in uncertain times. I can also say this one can use this life insurance as a wealth transfer tool as well and ensure a legacy for your future generation. Therefore, taking all these facts into account, I must say life insurance is a mandatory item one should have in his financial portfolio.
At the outset, I must tell you that we are truly humble and honored to be the market leader in the life insurance industry for 21 consecutive years. It's a remarkable achievement. And as you know, the market leadership is not just one, and it is achieved with sheer hard work. I would say that we have achieved it because we have the innovative approaches, customer focus, and our agility to adapt the changes faster than the competition. That is what has happened. In our industry, market leadership is measured from the gross written premium income. And in year 2024, I'm happy to say that we have recorded a premium income of 37 billion with a market share of 20% or slightly more than that. So that's a very good achievement. So that is about the market leadership and our financial or the premium income achievement. So your question is about beyond the market leadership, what have we achieved? Especially from the customer's point of view, I'm happy to say that we have paid the highest benefits to our policyholders in the industry. In 2024, we have paid about 25 billion in customer benefits, which includes the maturity payments, the various advance payments, and of course, claims. So that is one of the highest in the industry. In addition to that, if you look at our financials, we have done extremely well in year 2024. Last year, we had a profit before tax of 10 billion rupees. And in addition to that, we have also recorded our life fund as 181 billion rupees. If you look at our assets, which is exceeding 250 billion. And importantly, we have recorded capital adequacy ratio of 448%, as opposed to the regulatory requirement of 120%. So if you look at all these factors, it is not only the premium income as the market leader that we have performed or we have shown, but of course there are many other angles that we have shown very well during last year. So uh, it is not one particular year that we have achieved the market leadership. It is a consecutively 21 years that we achieved and we maintain the market leadership in the life insurance industry.
In searching of a life insurance company to buy life insurance, one should first look at the financial stability and growth of a company, at least to make sure that the organization will sustain or will remain in business for the term of the long-term contract that you are entering into. Ceylinco Life investment portfolio is highly diversified across government securities, fixed income, real estate, and on some selected equities. We adopt a conservative investment approach, prioritizing capital preservation and stable income over high risk, high returns strategies. We have a dedicated economic intelligence unit, a team of people. They monitor the global and local trends and align the investments accordingly. We maintain a strong internal controls and governance framework to monitor our liquidity, solvency, and risk exposure to institute. Weekly operational meetings are conducted and key decisions taken at these investment operations meetings are quarterly reported to the board investment committee and then to the main board in a format or particular format recommended by the regulator. We do stress testing and scenario planning to ensure that we withstand any macroeconomic shocks. When we look back our financials, our in the year 2024, our total assets was 251 billion and investments were 222 billion. Compared to the previous year 2023, it is an increase of 12% in both assets and investments. Our life fund was 180 billion. Those are good indicators to ascertain a financial stability of a company. Out of our total investments, rupees 119 billion, a percentage of 54%, is in government securities and 86 billion in fixed deposits and corporate debts, which is about 39%. So the majority is invested in well secured financial instruments, which will guarantee the ability of paying policyholders' claims and benefits. Reinsurance is playing a major role in a company's financial stability and growth is concerned. Ceylinco Life maintained from its inception a strong reinsurance partnership with global leaders to spread the risk and enhance this claim paying ability. Ceylinco Life, being the market leader, despite the external challenges, we continue to grow our policyholders base by focusing on customer trust and brand equity. We were able to do that mainly due to our financial stability and the growth. We are confident that we will continue to maintain this growth and stability forever.
As you know, life insurance is an intangible product. What we have done is we have brought a lot of tangibility to the life insurance. We have offered many value additions to our policyholders over a period of time. That is how we have maintained our market leadership as well. Let me give you a couple of examples. We have had a lot of value additions, but what we can say is two main flagship brands that we have, which have outperformed the industry value additions. Number one is our Family Savari scheme, which is relatively popular, and we have launched it about 18 years ago, and we have done it year on year. What we do in this program that we select policyholders, not only the policyholder, but of course the family of the policyholder. So we take them on excursions locally and overseas. So we have taken about 36,000 people for various excursions. Some of these destinations are in Sri Lanka, some are in overseas. So if you look at in Sri Lanka, we have taken these families to places like Leisure World and Pearl Bay in recent past. So what we do is we not only provide transportation for these families, but also we provide accommodations as well for people who are traveling from faraway places. So they come in numbers and they enjoy the whole day in these places, and they go with the unforgettable experiences. So it's not only one particular year that we have done, we have been doing it over a period of time. So these are the local excursions that we have provided. But if you look at some of these policyholders, we have given them overseas trips. We started taking them to Singapore in some Asian destinations. We have taken them to Singapore, Malaysia, Dubai, China, Japan, and so on. And of course, some of the families were lucky enough to go to Europe destinations as well. Some have gone to England, France, Germany, Switzerland, Italy. So that is something that we have done with this family safari, and that is one thing that we have done it to make this life insurance more tangible and getting these policyholders engaged with the organization. So that is one particular example. The other one is our famous Pranama Scholarship Scheme, which we have launched about 24 years ago, way back in 2001. And we have been providing scholarships to talented students of our policyholders. So the idea is that we provide these scholarships for these young students to be leaders in the society. So we have given about 3,500 scholarships over a period of time with the investment exceeding 240 million. And the most happiest thing is that these students who have received these scholarships have become doctors, the lawyers, the engineers, the entrepreneurs, and so on. So they are holding very responsible and very high position in the society. So that is something that we enjoy, because that is something that we have given to our policyholders and added a lot of value into their policies. So these are two value additions that we have introduced, and that is how we have made our policyholders' policy a tangible one.
Ceylinco Life's philosophy is rooted in strong fundamentals. We always want to maintain a proper balance between profitability and sustainability. Maintaining a healthy solvency margin is a key to ensure that all claims can be met at any adverse economic condition. Every strategic decision is taken prioritizing the policyholders' long-term value over short-term financial gains. In 2024, we earned a profit before tax of rupees 10 billion, and which is 19% increase compared to 2023, after transferring rupees 23 billion for life fund to pay policyholders' future claims and benefits. We never compromise on policyholders' interest, transparency, and integrity. That's one of our fundamentals in our philosophy. We uphold the sustainability initiatives in our company. Our branch network expansion includes green certified buildings with solar power and energy efficient systems. Currently, we have 30 such green certified buildings where our branches are being operated. We actively support the green economy through investments in green bonds, energy projects, and eco-friendly assets. We invested rupees 2 billion in DFCC green bonds in 2024. We have successfully incorporated the sustainability initiatives in our business processes, internal business processes, and especially in our product development process. Their focus includes microinsurance and policies with ESG elements, mainly the compliance with ESG elements. We continuously engage with our regulators, communities, and other stakeholders to ensure the sustainability practices are embedded across our operation. Especially, we ensure employee well-being, talent development, and retention to strengthen our service quality and operational excellence in all our engagements with our stakeholders. Therefore, I must say, Ceylinco Life's strategy of balancing the profitability and sustainability is very much prevalent in our organization, and it is our way of doing business.
Yes, Ceylinco Life is a household brand name. Why we say that? We have the top of the mind recall of 45% or more. If you speak to 100 people, any part of the country, 45 people or more will say the most preferred life insurer is Ceylinco Life. And we are checking this situation every quarter with the support of professional research agency. Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing is conducting annually at the award ceremony called People's Awards, and they have been doing it for last 19 years. And every year we have been recognized as most preferred life insurer or people's life insurance brand at these awards. So uh, now, how have we achieved it? I spoke about our financial. I spoke about some of the value additions that we brought into our policyholders. But in addition to that, uh, we have shared our success with the Sri Lankan community. We have introduced many CSR projects. Let me give you some examples. Number one, I would say, is our popular Vaidhyama program, which is a medical camp, and we take professional medical staff to deep rural places, so villages, and we invite the community to come there to go through a medical checkup. And we have been doing it for last 20 years, and the results are very good because some of these people who have never seen a Western doctor, and they were given the opportunity to speak to these medical consultants, and then the findings are given to them so that they can go and talk to the hospitals nearby and take further medicines. Another program that we are doing is to construct and donate classrooms to deserving schools in rural areas. Some schools don't have even a proper classroom. The students are studying under shelter of a tree. We have seen that. So through our sales force, through our branch network, we identify such schools and we construct and donate classrooms. So far, we have given about 89 classrooms. And if you look at Sri Lanka map, we can easily say that we have covered almost all districts, and we can say where we have done this or constructed these classrooms. So that is something that we do to the community. Then we do another project which is called building up high dependency units in hospitals. So far we have provided 5 high dependency units, one to General Hospital Colombo, another one to Kaluboila Hospital, another one to Ledridge Hospital, then one to Jaffna Hospital and one to Kandy Hospital. So these are things that we do because that's an investment and that is part of our CSR, and that is how we come very closer to the society, and that's how we have become a household name in the society. Many successes that we have, but the key behind everything is our people. We have a professional and highly trained sales team. They are the ones who are going out and bringing businesses. So we can't forget them because they have done a wonderful job. Then we have a very strong marketing team. They brought a lot of innovative concepts over a period of time, and that is how we have gained competitive advantage. Then our customer service team. They have given excellent service throughout. That is why we have been recalled very high, and that is how we have won many awards and so on. Then every member of the staff and every department, they have played huge role for us to achieve these successes. And of course, the visionary leadership that we had from the chairman, from managing director to CEO, and of course the board and senior management, they all played huge role providing the vision to the organization, providing vision to the staff to achieve all this success. Importantly, our corporate culture. So the culture that we created is such that never say no culture. We give various tasks to our staff, our sales force. They go out, they deliver. And we have seen that over and over again. And that is how we have achieved many success, many milestones over a period of time. So our people and our culture, if you put these two together, that is how we have achieved many successes, many milestones over a period of time. And that has helped us to stay ahead of the rest in our industry. And I believe that we have played a huge role in achieving many milestones over a period of time.